176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line. So it is given that the resistors are in parallel. So if there are n resistors, then we can write 1 by r dash is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 plus etc. up to n resistors. So this can be written as n divided by capital R. So 1 by r dash equal to n by r. So r dash will be equal to r by n. Now we have to calculate the number of resistors. So, and the current is given as 5 ampere and the potential difference is V. So if you know I and V, we can find out R dash. So using Ohm's law, V equal to I R dash. We know that what is R? R dash? R dash is nothing but R by N. So V equal to I into R by N. We need to find out the number of resistors. So we need N. N equal to I into R by V. I is the current, R is the resistance, and V is the potential difference. So we will just substitute the values. 5 into resistance is 176 and the potential difference is given, that is 220 volt. So when you cancel, you will get 4. So N will be equal to 4. So the number of resistors is 4.